Hi everyone, today I am hereby to give a presentation on Poisson's law and information theory. Abstract of this presentation. In this presentation, the binomial and the Poisson distribution are shown to be maximum entropy distributions of suitable defined sets. Poisson law is considered as a case of entropy maximization and also convergence in information divergence is established. Now I will give a small introduction myself. Myself G. Shaina Reddy, having a pin number of 21955A2109, and my topic is Poisson's law and information theory. Introduction. We shall use lambda to denote the Poisson distribution with mean and b points n comma p to denote the binomial distribution with parameters n comma p. We will not distinguish between a random variable and its distribution in the notation. Let x1, x2, so on xn be a sequence of independent Bernoulli's random variable, that is random variables with range 0, 1. Define the success probabilities by pi is equal to p of xi is equal to 1, comma lambda is equal to sigma or sum of n to 1 pi, comma p max is equal to maximum ipi and sn is equal to sum of n to 1 xi. We call Sn a n-generalized binomial distribution and denote by Bn lambda, the set of n-generalized binomial distribution with mean. Define the set of generalized binomial distribution as the union of all non-generalized binomial distribution. Now let us discuss about Poisson's law. Let P and Q be probability measures on 0, 1, 2 with point probabilities Pi and PQ. I is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Then the total variation between the distribution is defined as P minus Q, and the information divergence is considered as shown in the figure, and the convergence of the point of probability of B to the point probability of 2 mean was established by Poisson. Convergence in total variation was first studied by Firopi. See for a survey on the subject and reference. Information divergence is related to total variation inequality. If it is a sequence of probability distribution, we say that converges to Q in the information divergence. If d of Qn to Q is equal to 0, then n is infinite. It is shown in that. And the proof is at least as simple as the proof of convergence in total variations. Pinskill inequality shows that convergence in formation divergence is a stronger condition than convergence in total variation. Further, d of x is minimally for lambda is equal to e to power of x. Equally, lambda is equal to e to power of x is a maximum likelihood estimate given an empirical distribution according to x, and the use of information divergence fits very well together with the idea of maximum likelihood estimation known from statistics. Now it is convergent to define d of x is equal to min lambda d of x. Theorem 1. Let x1, x2 to so on xn be a sequence of independent Bernoulli's random. Define pi is equal to p bracket of capital Xi is equal to 1. Then the real-time equation was distributed in the slide, that is d of Sn. Proof, we have d of xi is equal to 1 minus pi in 1 minus pi plus pi, and therefore where the first inequality is a sequence of dot reduction, if lambda is lambda or mean is fixed as p max convergence to O, then d of Sn convergence to 0, which is Poisson's law. If the Bernoulli's random variable are identical distributed, we get the above equation. Now let us discuss about maximum entropy distribution. The entropy of P is defined by h of P is equal to sum of infinite to I is equal to 0 pi log pi. If omega is a set of distribution, we define h of omega is equal to sup p belongs to omega h bracket p. In order to study the entropy of generalized binomial distribution, we need the following lemma, which is a strengthening of a result obtained by Shep and Olkin. Lemma 1. The entropy h of Sn is a strictly concave function where all the probabilities pk, where k is not equal to I, j are kept fixed, and E of Sn is fixed. Use a special kind of concavity and symmetry we get theorem. And then let us discuss about the theorem 2. If m is equals to mean by p max, then h of b m comma mean by m is less than or equal to h of Sn. Further, the binomial distribution is a maximum entropy distribution is in Bn of mean, and h of b of n comma mean by n is increasing for lambda or mean fixed n. Combination this theory with Poisson's law, we get theorem 3. The Poisson distribution sacrifices the relation. Now, the theorem shows that both the binomial distribution and Poisson distribution are maximum entropy distribution on sets of generalized binomial distribution. Therefore, Poisson law is closely related to a maximum entropy principle in the sense that Poisson law can be formulated as the entropy increases to its maximum. More details will appear in conclusion. The binomial and the Poisson distribution are shown to be maximum entropy distribution of suitable defined sets. Poisson's law is considered as a case of entropy maximization, and also convergence information divergence is established. That's all. It's the end.